everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another FabFitFun unboxing video for you guys. I have partnered with FabFitFun again, and if you've been watching my videos for a while, you would know that I have been unboxing a bunch of the FabFitFun boxes for the past year. So I'm really excited to be unboxing the FabFitFun Summer 2018 box. If you are not already familiar with FabFitFun, they are a seasonal subscription box service. So it means you get them 4 times a year, which is one of the main reasons why I love this subscription box service so much, because you're not bombarded with a bunch of sample size products every single month. You get quality things that are all full size in each of the boxes. You can get anything from health, wellness, beauty, fashion products in each of the boxes, and they are all valued at over $250. Each of the boxes retail for $49.99 if you are going to be subscribing to this service. And if you've never got a FabFitFun box before and you want to try it out, I have a code for $10 off your first box, which is BRIT10, and I will leave it right here on the screen as well as in the description box below this video. FabFitFun now also lets you customize your boxes, so I'm going to show you guys what's in my 2018 Summer FabFitFun box. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe by hitting that subscribe button below this video, and let's go ahead and get started. So in each of the FabFitFun boxes, you get one of these magazines, and it kind of tells you stories about maybe the origin of some of the products and what companies or organizations they're working with for this season's box. So for this season's box, they are made in support of Wildlife Conservation Society, which is such an amazing thing. I just got back from Hawaii and I learned even more about the negative effect of using plastic, and they're basically talking about how we should pledge to use less plastic, which is a huge thing I'm also doing. I recently switched over to using either paper, glass, or stainless steel straws. It also obviously will tell you a little bit about each of the products and how much they're worth, so I will do that as I go through the box. I'm super excited already. I'm just gonna pick out the first thing that I see. It's from Tarte, and I love Tarte so much. So this is the Tarte Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. This is super pretty. I actually remember I almost bought this kind of recently, so this is awesome. The Tarte Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette retails for $45. It has 6 pigmented powder and cream shades, which is the perfect kit for creating glowing chiseled looks that will take you from day to night. Oh my god, those are so nice. Okay, so the next thing in the box is from PierOne Imports, and I love that store. So in the little magazine, it says that this is a marble ring dish. Oh, that is so cute. So this retails for $14.99 at PierOne Imports, and it's perfect for rings, keys, or loose change. Its timeless marble design and golden trim will glam up any part of your home. And I'm a huge sucker for things like these because I constantly leave little things around my room or around the house, so this is really nice to have to just put cute little things in. This box is seriously like the best box ever. So they have included the Rio Luna Fofo. I don't think I've heard of this version. I actually have 2 of the Rio Luna products, and I'm obsessed with them. So this is awesome. Okay, so this is an exclusive launch for FabFitFun. It says you're one of the first to get your hands on Freo's newest revolutionary device. It's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched Rio Luna app. And this retails for $89. It says avoid clay or grainy textures as they may damage the silicone touch points. This is super cool. So the next thing in the box is a facial sunscreen from Kula. This is the sport one, so it's water resistant. It is also TSA approved size, and it's cruelty free, of course. It's also non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, and made in the US. This retails for $32. It is SPF 50, and it's in the white tea scent. Alright, so another thing in here is called Brighten Up. This is from Vasanti. It's an enzymatic face rejuvenator, exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, micro crystals, and aloe. This retails for $29. It says get glowing with this exfoliating cleanser. Its gentle formula effectively removes dead skin cells to reveal a smooth, even complexion. It also has the little cruelty-free and vegan sign at the bottom here. And it smells really good. Not only am I obsessed with little trinket holder things like this, I'm also a sucker for buying makeup cases for some reason. And this one is so pretty. Alright, so this is by Yumi Kim. It's a makeup train case and it retails for $58. It says this train case is large enough to store your favorite beauty products and features 2 separate compartments with zipper closures so you can keep things organized. So there's, oh, this is awesome. Okay, so up here it like has a separate compartment, and then there's also spaces to keep makeup brushes and this little clear plastic flap to just make sure it doesn't get anything else dirty. I love this, and this pattern is just the cutest thing ever. So the second to last thing in the box is from Aromatherapy Associates London. This is a de-stress muscle gel made with an invigorating blend of essential oils. This best-selling muscle gel instantly cools, aches, and soothes tired muscles over time, and it retails for $39, which is literally perfect because I have dance classes and I'm always really sore afterwards, so I'm really excited to see how this works. It smells so good and so fresh, and I really like using topical things for muscle pain. I feel like it just feels much more invigorating and like it's actually working and you can feel it working. So I think I'm gonna really like this one. So the very last thing in the summer 2018 FabFitFun box is from Elemis. This is the papaya enzyme peel. This is a rinse off cream which is made with exfoliating papaya, nourishing milk protein, and moisturizing vitamin E that work together to leave your skin soft, revitalized, and radiant, and it also retails for $45. Ooh, that's like a really thick feeling cream. It feels super moisturizing. Oh my god, it smells like gummy candy. And that's everything in the 2018 Summer FabFitFun box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am super happy with this box. There are some things that like I was just not expecting at all, and I'm so impressed with this one. So if you're gonna get any, definitely try this one out. And if you've never got one before, use my code for $10 off. It's Britt10, super easy to remember. I say this in every video that I do with them, but it is by far my favorite subscription box service I've ever tried. I wasn't a fan of a lot of other ones, so this one's really great. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button below this video. It's super easy and it's free. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!